Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Meat Cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for any man who loves to cook and grill, offering a wide array of recipes, techniques, and tips to elevate your meat cooking skills to the next level, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of meat cookery with confidence, unlocking the secrets to perfectly cooked steaks, juicy burgers, succulent roasts, and much more, transforming your culinary adventures into unforgettable experiences. Number 5. MEATHEAD'S Barbecue. Welcome to the world of MEATHEAD'S Barbecue, where science meets deliciousness. Learn how to master the art of grilling and smoking, achieving unbelievably juicy and flavorful results every time. It all starts with understanding your meat. We'll explore different cuts, their ideal cooking methods, and how to ensure perfect tenderness and flavor. Master the art of grilling with our expert techniques. Learn how to control temperature, manage flare-ups, and achieve those beautiful grill marks. Unlock the secrets of smoking. We'll guide you through the process, from choosing the right wood to maintaining consistent temperatures for incredible smoky flavor. It's not just about technique, it's about the flavor. Explore a wide variety of mouth-watering recipes and tips to elevate your barbecue game. Join our passionate community of barbecue enthusiasts. Share your creations, ask questions, and learn from others who share your love of great barbecue. What we like. It's based on scientific principles, providing a deep understanding of grilling and barbecue. If you're serious about mastering the art of barbecue and want to understand the science behind it, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to elevate their grilling game to a professional level. What people say. Gives a lot of detail and ideas for smoking meats. Goes into the science of it, without being hard to understand. Has recipes for rubs and marinades. Great book for someone who likes to smoke, or is just beginning to get into it. This book is basically a summary of all of the great articles from AmazingRibs.com and combined into one place. The look of the book is also extremely attractive. He debunks a lot of popular myths using science, which is superb and extremely interesting to learn. There are many excellent barbecue and grilling cookbooks if you are primarily interested in recipes. Meathead brings us not only recipes but more importantly educates both the novice and experienced cook on the science behind cooking meat, and does so brilliantly. This cookbook is a distillation of all the expertise and scientific exploration of barbecue and grilling that the author and his colleagues have accumulated over decades. Number 4. Eat Like a Man Cookbook. This cookbook is designed for men who love to cook and eat great food. It's packed with delicious recipes that are easy to follow. It features a wide variety of meat-centric recipes, perfect for grilling enthusiasts. You'll find everything from classic burgers to gourmet steaks. The recipes are straightforward and easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. You'll be able to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. While it focuses on meat, it also includes some delicious side dishes to complement your main courses. It's a complete guide to satisfying meals. This cookbook is the only one you'll ever need. It has everything you need to become a master chef in your own kitchen. It provides detailed instructions and tips for grilling various cuts of meat to perfection. You'll become a grilling pro in no time. What we like. This cookbook is a one-stop shop for all your meat cooking needs. If you are looking for a single cookbook to cover all your meat cooking needs, this is it. It's ideal for men who want a comprehensive collection of recipes without having to search through multiple books. What people say. The book is a hardcover book that does not come with a dust cover, which is a plus since this is a guy's book. No man wants to fuss and fight with a paper dust cover. This cookbook is simple when it needs to be, and sophisticated when it's appropriate. It's fun in a masculine way, and yet the recipes are seriously good. Great manly recipes and simple too. Great gift for the man who thinks he has everything. Number 3. MeatEater Fish and Game Cookbook. This cookbook provides a wide array of recipes and techniques for preparing fish and game. It's perfect for any hunter or angler looking to elevate their meals. It offers a diverse collection of recipes, catering to all skill levels. Discover new ways to enjoy your harvest. Learn valuable techniques to ensure your fish and game are prepared to perfection. Master the art of cooking wild ingredients. This cookbook guides you through the entire process, from field dressing to final plating. Transform your catch into delicious meals. It's more than just recipes, it's a comprehensive guide to cooking wild-caught food. Take your culinary skills to the next level. Developed by the experts at MeatEater, this cookbook ensures delicious and satisfying results every time. Trust the authority on wild game cooking. What we like. It specializes in fish and game, offering unique recipes for hunters and anglers. If you enjoy hunting or fishing and want to make the most of your catch, this cookbook is perfect for you. It's a great choice for those who want to explore new flavors and techniques beyond traditional meat. What people say. This book has step-by-step recipes to cook the most delicious game meat. It has so much information for skinning animals and how to prepare the meat properly. Good-looking recipes and lots of pictures. The photos are great, the instructions are clear, but most importantly, it is geared towards easy-to-do meals for people who are not inherently cooks. Number 2. Myron MIXON'S Smokin recipes. Get ready to dive into the world of barbecue with Myron MIXON, the winningest man in barbecue. He's sharing his secrets for making delicious, simple recipes. This cookbook is packed with a variety of recipes, perfect for any skill level. You'll find everything from classic barbecue favorites to exciting new creations. Myron breaks down complex techniques into easy-to-follow steps. Even beginners can achieve professional quality results with his guidance. Prepare to be hungry. The cookbook is filled with stunning photos of the finished dishes, showcasing the incredible flavor and texture. Learn from the best. Myron shares his expert tips and tricks, helping you master the art of barbecue. It's more than just recipes, it's a barbecue education. It's not just about grilling, it's about the passion and the process. This cookbook takes you beyond basic recipes to a deeper understanding of barbecue. What we like. This cookbook features recipes from a champion pitmaster, ensuring delicious results. If you want simple yet winning barbecue recipes from a renowned expert, this is your choice. It's perfect for those who want to impress their guests with restaurant-quality barbecue without the fuss. What people say. Every one of them has turned out excellent. Recipes for rubs, marinade, injections, glazes and sauces. All or most recipes of his famous dishes, ribs, cupcakes, chicken, brisket, etc. Myron's recipes are a huge hit at my backyard BBQs. I have taken my skills to a whole other level. Number 1. Levain & Co. Meat Magnet. It's time to elevate your grilling game. This guide provides everything you need to produce mouth-watering results, from wood pairings to perfect internal temperatures. Smoking meat is all about precision, and this magnet provides researched and verified cooking times and temperatures for 24 different cuts of meat, poultry, and seafood. No more guesswork. Keep it handy. With this magnet, you'll always have the information you need, right at your smoker, without having to consult your phone or risk forgetting crucial details. It's not just functional, it looks great too. The jet black design blends seamlessly with your smoker, and its durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. Know someone who loves to smoke meat? This makes an ideal gift for the serious pitmaster in your life, helping them perfect their technique and become the star of every barbecue. What we like. This magnetic meat temperature guide is always at hand, ensuring perfectly cooked meat every time. If you need a reliable and convenient way to track meat temperatures during grilling or smoking, this is the perfect tool. It's ideal for those who want to avoid overcooked or undercooked meat and ensure consistent results. What people say. Works well, has been durable and stays right where I put it. Magnet clings to side of fridge. As a new smoker cooker, this is a great help starting new meats. This takes all the guessing game out of cook times and temperatures. Perfect for my new Traeger pellet grill. Good size and love it being magnetic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.